आज हम लोग बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन 1 का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। जो बच्चे अपने सेमेस्टर की तैयारी कर रहे हैं वो एक बार प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन ज़रूर देखें, क्योंकि डीडीयू यूनिवर्सिटी क्या करती है कि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन में से कुछ क्वेश्चन आपके इस ईयर में भी डाल सकती है। 2024-25 में जो एग्ज़ाम सेमेस्टर होने वाले हैं तो वो बच्चे 2023 और 24 या 2021-22 की वीडियो ज़रूर देखें, मतलब कि प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर ज़रूर देखें, क्योंकि प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर में से कुछ क्वेश्चन डीडीयू वाले आपके नए सेमेस्टर में भी दे सकते हैं क्वेश्चंस। तो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर ज़रूर देख के जाएँ। तो चलिए डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। 2023-24 का प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर है, फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर bcom बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन 1 का। पहला क्वेश्चन है, द टर्म कम्युनिज हैज़ बीन डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम डैश वर्ड, लैटिन वर्ड, ऑप्शन बी। द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इज इंफॉर्मेशन एंड परसुएशन, ऑप्शन ए। Effective communication can only be achieved when feedback come forward. Option B. Which of the following is example of external communication? With competitor, with customer, with bankers, all of the above, option D. Communication between a superior and a subordinate through scalar chain is called circular communication, option C. Non-verbal communication is all of the above, option D. Which of the following is not used in non-verbal communication? Email, option D. Correct sequence of communication processes, option D. Sender, message, channel, receiver, feedback. Which of the following terms best describe the Graphian as a communication pattern? Informal, option C. Dash in communication increases credibility of the sender message, option C. Concreteness. Dash explain how we arrange personal space, proxemics, option B. Physical barrier to communication is our time and distance, option A. Which of the following communication is our example of written communication? Option D. Communication between HR manager and finance manager is an example of diagonal communication, option C. Is the study of body, physical movement, kinesis, option C. Lateral communication is between personnel of same cadre. All of the following are the example of verbal communication. Symbols. Mean to import an understanding of message, decoding, option C. Which of these is not a basic of effective communication? Fine listening. In which type of interaction the interviewer asks a series of questions in a set order? A structured interview, option B. A circular is a form of group communication. It involves how we say something is different pitch, tone and voice modulation. Paralanguage. Option D. In dash, the message is translated into meaningful information. Option C. Coding and decoding. Once the message is encoded, it is transferred through all of the above. मीडिया से, चैनल से और वे. The process in which the receiver interprets and understands the message is called decoding. The process of communication is complete only when the receiver sends all of the above. पॉजिटिव फीडबैक, नेगेटिव फीडबैक, दोनों फीडबैक मिलते हैं. यहाँ पे यूनिवर्सिटी ये गलत टाइप है. यहाँ पे नो फीडबैक नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे नो नहीं होगा, फीडबैक रहेगा, यहाँ नो नहीं रहेगा. ऑल ऑफ द अबव इस 26 का आंसर है. What does the technical jargon means in semantic barriers? Technical word not understandable. Option A. The most common barrier in oral communication is lack of sufficient vocabulary. Option A. Communication problem commonly known as barriers. Option B. There is a possibility of misunderstanding at any step due to noise. Option A. A group discussion in a real life situation within a training environment is debate. Option A. An interview proceeds through 3 stages excluding. Option C. Feedback. In-depth interview are known as one-to-one interview. Option C. Formal interview is similar to structured interview. Option C. The most basic type of listening is known as discriminative listening. Option C. Essential element of good listening process include attention, understand and respond. Which doesn't enhance listening skill? Ignoring. Option D. Which of the following is not a type of listening? Passive listening. Option D. Passive listening. Which of the following is not a social media platform? Google. Option D. Transactional analysis was developed by Eric Berne. Option D. Email can be used as external communication in following case. Option C. Both of the above. Message receiver accept it as appropriate. Message received in response of email. दोनों option. Option C. Both of the above. Which of the following is not a feature of effective workplace writing? Dramatic. Option C. Is taken as a set of skills that influence how people interact with each other. Option D. Soft skills. Audio-visual communication is more suitable for publicity and education. Option A. A synopsis of most relevant professional experiences you have as a particular job application. Option B. Curriculum vitae. Inappropriate salutations for an application is sir. Option B. Color is a desk communication tool. All of the above. Communication skill is learned rather than innate. Communication with unknown number of receiver is called mass communication. In communication, chatting over the internet is ग्राफियन कम्युनिकेशन। ये आपके प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हुए और जो बच्चे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और आप